So wait, can I video your here? Hopefully I can like look up. Yeah, we can only see like the little glimpse through the clouds.
Oh, there it goes. Did you get a picture? No.
Kind of saw it.
Oh, damn it.
I got it.
Yay! Anyway. I don't know last year. It was so much different. Not last time. Last time. Either. Dude. The horizon line was so nice. I love it.
This just feels weird.
Yeah. It's very orange and I love it. It's behind us, by the way.
What?
Wow. It's orange. I love this horizon line. It's a perfect circle. Yeah. It's not good. Ooh. Hat.
I envy the people who need these glasses.
Also, you can kind of you're starting to see everything again. I love how the lights literally turn on. Yeah.
Well, they have to.
Yeah. Yeah, most people are more interested in the front of that.
I like the drone that's just in the sky. Like, what is he looking at?
Either should already know. I'm not gonna look up more.
That's why I'm like so careful. I'm like, I don't wanna. I already need
I can't
thicker.
see with these on, so.
Yeah, that's why I envy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did I find it?
They're not really good, but like you can see it. Ooh, that's a good spot. That's a good spot.
Wait, what?
I can see it.
You can see. Oh, okay.
Look at photos in here. It's
I can't see it.
It's like clouds are starting. Oh, that's so cool. Olive.
I got the edge of it.
Got the edge of it. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's so cool.
Now it's
This is the best one.
now it's getting risky to look up.
Yeah, I'm stopping. I'm not. Cool.
I got like all the pictures of the.
I got a video of the horizon. Oh my, Olive.
What? What did you get?
She zooms in.
If I zoomed in.
Oh, Jaden got a good new one. Like good
Jaden.
one.
Oh my God, Jaden.
What?
Jaden.
You got a good one?
Really good.
Jaden, Jaden
Our
did.
friend did.
Oh, fuck him.
I got a lot of photos of the edge. Of the in the horizon. I got videos and photos of it. Look at the horizon. Look at this horizon of the video. Of the horizon. It's so.
I'm still trying to look for it. But like, I think the clouds are screwed.
I got it. Look at the horizon photo.
Oh shit.
We tried. How come my
It's sent. Well, no, Olive sent, not you.
Is it kind of done now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Towards the end of it.
I think it's because